Okay, a quick formatting thing for Module 2, especially dealing with fractions. Some of you are answering and it's being marked wrong. We'll talk about what you do in that case and you believe your answer is right. We'll talk about that in a second. But let's say we have the problem 7/15 plus 1/3. Well, obviously we have to get it with like denominators first. So we had 7/15 plus 5/15, we'd get 12/15. All right, 12/15 reduces down to 4/5. Make sure your fractions, all right, are in lowest terms. Otherwise, it'll mark you wrong. Now, the second thing, okay, let's say you get an improper fraction like 15/8. Now, some of you are writing it as a mixed number. Do yourself a favor and just leave it improper unless it tells you the format to put it in. Put it in improper fraction format. Just leave it like that. All right? So you end up with 15/8. It's a formatting thing. I've been dealing with it for years, both with this and the SAT. Don't write it as 1 7/8. Now, when you do that number, 1 7/8, a lot of you will end up with like 1.875. And let's say you put in like 1.9. That is also incorrect. Okay, and that's the most general thing. If the original problem is in fraction form, write your answer in fraction form. Also, in terms of the exact answer. The exact answer is 15/8. 1.9 is an estimate. Okay, and we don't want estimates, we want exact answers. All right? Now, the next thing I want to talk about is a general thing. Some of you have been having some issues with technology, okay? Well, your best move first is to contact Cengage. They may be able to help you. Now, if they can't, and none of you did anything wrong by contacting me, but I'm limited in what I can do. Now, a couple hints, and I thank all of you for doing this. I'm not going to mention you by name because I don't want to embarrass anybody, but thank you for doing this. Some of you took screenshots of your work. It's a great idea. That way, if something doesn't process, you can just send me the screenshots. Number 2, and this is the most important thing because people make this mistake. Even though it's an online course, it doesn't mean you shouldn't write things down. You should write things down as you go along. All right, whether you're going to submit it as work or not, it's the best thing you can do. Some of you also just used my Ask My Instructor tool, which was also good. So please, all right, suggestions are if you're having these technological issues, take screenshots, write things down, and that way if it doesn't submit or if there's an issue, all right, you can always send that. It's a lot easier to correct it that way. Okay, be good, enjoy the nice weather. If you're having nice weather, because we're all over the place, we're all over the country and the world. So be good. Take care. Bye.